Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now, this video is all about how to create a standard and a professional courier company service that can serve you with all kind of servicing you're providing, as long as it requires logistics. Now, this is the best platform you ever see online. Now, this is the tracking page. So, guys, if you want to know how we're able to achieve this result, please stick to the end of this video. Please hit the subscribe button again on my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next step. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In today's video is all about how to set up your courier company website. Now, this is the second segment of this video section. So guys, I'm using Hostinger. Now the next section is I'll just go straight to my file manager. Like you can see, this is my domain. Now my domain is empty. Also, this is my file manager. Then I'll go straight to my public_HTML or my add-on domain. So I'll click on upload and select my file. So my file is uploading. So I'll go back to my dashboard. Next section is you have to create your company email for this to work. So once you're creating your company email, ensure to save your information on your notepad, your company email and your company password. Now I'll go straight to database, which is the next section. So let me just fill out this information. So if you're using cPanel, once you get to this section, ensure to click on all privileges. Okay, so if you're using hPanel, you won't be able to see that the system does that for you. And I'll click on create. Good. Now you can see our database has been created successfully. So I'll go to my phpMyAdmin. Now click on enter phpMyAdmin. Good. So I'll go to import. Now select my file. So also ensure your PHP version is 8.1. Okay. And I'll scroll down and click what? Import. Now you can see our database has been uploaded successfully. Good. So I'll go back to my file and extract this. So go to your folder, the extracted folder, and select all. Then move this to your public_HTML. So at the next section, go to your .env, edit your .env. Now this should be our shipping name. Then go to the website. I'll copy this, which is our domain link. So once I paste this, I will remove the slash behind it. Okay. Then I'll go to my notepad, copy my database information, and I'll paste my DB name and the username, and just copy and paste your password. Then I'll click on save changes. I'll X this section. So I'll go back to my domain and reload. So guys, this is the front end of the website. You can see it's so sleek, guys. This is nice, and users can actually check different features. So ensure your PHP version is 8.1, for instance. So this, I think this is calculation. So now this is the home page. I'm just trying to see some things. User can click calculate cost. Now you can see. Now this is one of the added features to this. The home page is very sleek, guys. So the next section is come to your admin section. Your admin will be your domain name / admin login / validate_admin. So that is the admin login information. So I'll go straight to phpMyAdmin. I'll go to admins. Now I'll click on edit this section. So I'll just put in my company now. I'll change this to my password, then ensure to encrypt this password. Then scroll down and click go. Good. So I'll go back to my admin login. So I'll put in my admin email and my login notification. Good. So this is the admin page section. Now how to remove this is still easy. You go to admin, go to your file manager, go to resources, go to views, go to admin, and you're able to see them top menu and sidebar. Okay, so let me go back to admin. So this is where you're able to remove this. Now go to app settings. Now once you come to app settings, you want to remove this. Also go back to admin, go to settings here, then go to app settings, then edit show .blade, then you comment on this and save changes. So basically this is let me just remove the other one. So if I go back to admin and reload the section, so you won't see them anymore. Good. So let me just fill out this information. Now here is localhost. You can put your website URL here. So I'll put my website URL. Remove the slash behind it. Then change this to your website name. Good. So you can put your WhatsApp number. If you have live chat video, you can put it here. Then you upload your image and click update. So how to remove this section here? Once you click update, go back to your file manager. Go to public_HTML. Then you come to app. Go to HTTP. Go to controllers. Go to admin, go to settings, then come to app settings control. Scroll, just be scrolling, and this section here, just take this out and save. So once you come back here and you reload, so you won't be able to see that again. So if you go to save preference. So the preference section here, I'll just paste my company email. I'll click save. Okay, so you go back to the app settings controller, just delete all you see. So for the email setup, come to this section, put in the company email and click save. I can see. Now if you go back to the email settings, if you come to SMTP, so you can leave this this way, but just set this up. smtp.ostinger. So the port will be 465. The smtp encryption is SSL. Now I'll copy my company email password and also put it there and click save. So I'll go back to this email, ensure to go back and put it to send mail and click save. Okay, so we've successfully set this session. So if I come back here and reload, you'll be able to see our website thing has been changed. So this is good. And the next section is I'll go to dashboard. And I can see that I'll click on create new shipment. Now the sender name, sender email can be your company or the delivery agent, or can be someone that is sending the parcel out to this particular person. You get it? So let me just put my uncle sending this to me. So the sender name is Uncle K, then receiver name, then the receiver email, receiver phone number, then the receiver address. So the sender information, this is it. Now I'll scroll down there. This should be the package details. Let me just say Courier bill 80 bags of different clothing, just for example purpose. Then this is the tracking number it has generated. You can also change it if you want. Now the quantity of what I'm sending is 80. Let me see. Okay, 80. Then the weight, let me just specify the weight of this should be 79.8. And the payment mode is let me say bank transfer / Bitcoin. Then the shipping mode, air freight C. So I'll just put air freight. The origin meaning the current location, I'll say New York. You get it? This is the origin of information. Now the current location, I'll still put this as current location. Now the destination is going to Kenya, Lagos State, Nigeria. Now the freight cost. Now the cost of this freight, I'm just saying let me say 150. Then estimated delivery, I'll put today, and estimated delivery date. Now okay, the time the delivery will take place, it will be, let me say the estimated delivery date is tomorrow. Dispatch date is today. Dispatching it today. Shipment mode, you can see we have approved, available, cancelled, custom. So I'll just go to approve. Now shipping progress, I'll put this as 2, as 1. Then I'll upload the shipping information, shipping parcel image. So I'll click on save. I say please enter a valid value. The two nearest valid values are 78.9. Okay, talking about this value, I'll put 79.9. I'll click save. Sorry. Good. So Courier created successfully. Now this is it. Check my email. Users also get emails. I can see shipment has been created. Let me copy my tracking information. So once user click on track shipment, it definitely takes them to this section. And let me enter my tracking information, track package. Good. I can see the tracking information. And this is, let me just show you guys the mobile section. So this is the mobile view, how it looks. If you're using a mobile phone, you can see it's so slick. It's nice, right? So let me just take this back to desktop. Good. Now this is the description. You can see show additional details. You can see the total freight cost. You can see the amount here. Dispatch from origin, delivery at destination. You can see that's so mature. Users can click on print shipping invoice. Good. So you can see the information here. So this is how it is, definitely. So you're able to change this section. Okay, you're able to change this section. Now let me go back to let me go back to the file manager. So I'm just trying to show you guys the complete workflow. So go to resources, go to views, then that should be the invoice. Go to home, go to your home section. Let's say, so you go back to views, then come to where you have layouts. Scroll down to invoice.be, edit this section. So this is the invoice section. You get it. So you're able to locate more of this information in terms of the images. Copy this and locate the image and change it. So basically that is what you need to do. Okay. So I'll go back. Let me just X this section and let me go back to admin. So this is one section. Then I'll go to update. So let us update this. So I'll come here and put let me say in transit, currently in New York. You get it. So let me just put this as in transit. Then submit update. You can see. So if I go back to the tracking information, then let me just scroll down. You can see in transit, right? In transit. So if I go back again to admin and go back to dashboard, so let me update this. Let me put this as custom. Let's say Dubai, for instance. Then I'll click submit updates. So this is it. So if I come back here, I will just reload this section. Now this is custom check. You can see how it is. So I go back to admin, go back to dashboard. You can also click on edit. So while we edited this, you can come to freight cost and also change this to let me say 700. Now status here is custom already, which is good. Then we'll change this progress to 45 and save. So if I come back here again and reload this section, so I've reloaded this section. If I click on this, now you can see it has changed the price, right? So basically this is what you need to do, and this is how you need to do it. Now you can see custom clearance document required. If we click on details, your shipment requires a permit that must be purchased before delivery can be completed. So request this via email. Once you click on it, it takes you to your email, your Gmail or your email. Now you can see how it is. You can see the progress status. So basically this is all about this platform. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform. If you want to get this script, please message me on WhatsApp. There's a my WhatsApp link on WhatsApp number is stated there in the bio. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video.